Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a vibration reducing hand drill system. In this system, we used here a hand drill, and in this system, we used here a foam to reduce the vibration, and we included here a vacuum system to collect our all waste that will produce when we will drill anything. So let's check the making procedure of this drill machine. So in this system we have different types of parts, and we included here 3D printing frame, and it's a battery supply. It's 16-volt battery, and this supply will be going to this switch to control our drill machine, and when we will use this push button or switch, at that moment our drill machine will be rotated. This power supply will be supplied to this switch by using a buck converter. Then it will go to our vacuum system, and in this vacuum system we used here a high-speed fan, and this waste will be stored in this net, and then we can clear that one again. So now we will check our vacuum by turning on. So our vacuum system and our drill system is perfectly working here. In this system we included here another options to control the rotation of drill machine in clockwise or anti-clockwise. So our system decoration is perfectly done. Now we need to check this operation of this hand drill system. Now we will check our this third number of switch, and when we will press this switch to right, then it will rotate to clockwise, and when this switch will be pressed to left side, at that moment it will rotate anti-clockwise. So this is the formula of this third switch, and this black switch is only for our switching system. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.